Welcome to Irie AT, Braille and Innovation.
Welcome back once again to the Tiger Software Suite tutorials. In Tutorial 6, we will be demonstrating how to translate and emboss multiple languages simultaneously in your Microsoft Word document. Alright guys, so of course the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your Microsoft Word document open. And let's just go ahead and type out a bit of a dialogue here that maybe will represent something that would be used in a language class, such as Spanish or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and type out a dialogue real quick. Now, what we're going to want to do here, we're going to want to go to the Tiger tab, and we're going to want to open up our profile to adjust our profile settings. So of course, if you wanted to create your own profile specifically for other languages, you could do just that. But for now, we're just going to open up our default profile here. I'm going to select the open option. And when I do that, you'll notice that the Braille settings tab opens up. And the first option in here is the choose a language setting dropdown. And we have default language set. That's our first language. And we have up to 3 different languages that we can translate simultaneously in here. So we'll go ahead and leave it on default language for now. And you'll notice below that we have a few default language settings. The first setting is the default language dropdown. And as you can see, I have English Unified selected. We have all sorts of different languages in here. We'll go ahead and leave it on English Unified for now. And directly below that, we have the default Braille type. We have, of course, grade 1, which is uncontracted, or grade 2, which is contracted, as well as a few other options within here. We'll go ahead and leave it on grade 1 for now. Now, directly below that, we have our default translatable font setting. And this is important because right now we have any selected, which means that any font we have in our document will be translated to English Unified grade 1. If we want to have it translate multiple languages simultaneously, we're going to want to set different fonts for our different languages. Why don't we go ahead and select a popular one here? Let's go ahead and select Arial. That's quite popular. Alright, so now what this means is that any font we have in our document that is Arial will be translated to English Unified grade 1. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the choose a language setting option drop down, and we're going to select secondary language. And when I do that, you'll notice that the secondary language settings below change a bit. And this is where we're going to select the secondary language drop down, and we're going to go ahead and switch this to another language. Let's go ahead and do Spanish. Then we also have our secondary Braille type, which the only option is grade 1. Now you'll notice that the secondary translatable font is set to none. We're going to want to go ahead and switch that to another font. Why don't we go ahead and use something popular? Let's go ahead and use Calibri. That's pretty easy. There we go. Now, again, what this means is that any font we have within our document that is Calibri font will be translated to Spanish grade 1. Now, in order to apply these settings, we're going to hit apply, select save. Now we're going to want to go ahead and change our fonts. We're going to go ahead and highlight the first line, which we want in English. So we're going to go ahead and select the font drop down, and we'll select Arial. In the second line that we want translated into Spanish, we'll have it set for Calibri, which as you can see, we already have set here. All right, perfect. Everything looks good. Now we've got the Tiger tab selected. Go ahead and select Translate Document. Let's go ahead and give it a name. We'll go with Spanish class, and we'll just throw this on my desktop for now. Hit save. Everything looks good. Go ahead and go up to File. Print. Make sure your Irie embosser is selected. Hit print, and you're good to go. There you go, folks. You have now successfully translated 2 different languages simultaneously in the Tiger Software Suite software. Thanks for watching Tiger Software Suite Tutorial 6. Don't forget to like our videos and make sure to hit that bell notification to be notified when we post our next tutorial in the series.